We are pleased to present a new exclusive listing from Fawn Pole Real Estate in the heart of the city. The property is located within a historic building dating back to the 16th century. Situated on the noble floor, the apartment boasts unmatched spaces and volumes, with direct views over one of the city's most renowned squares, offering a panorama rich in enchanting glimpses. An elegant 860 square feet living room opens onto a 540 square feet dining area, creating the perfect setting for entertaining and social gatherings. The kitchen, separated and custom designed, combines both aesthetic appeal and functionality, while a guest bathroom completes this refined living area. The sleeping quarters consist of 3 bedrooms, each with its own en-suite bathroom, and all independently separated from the living area. The master bedroom, in particular, spans an extraordinary size, offering a level of spaciousness rarely found and ideal for those seeking comfort and elegance without compromise. The apartment, completely renovated in 2025, is offered fully furnished with custom-made, brand-new interiors. For more information or to book a visit, please do not hesitate to contact us.